Lulu David. Is it?
Yes,
Uri pa live. That titori pa live izvo so todango
let me tell you guys, here's what happened. Nyanja is my friend. Is my ex-friend. We used to be friends with Dad. Tell my friends, you know what? She used to stay from my pay, so apparently me and her, we had a misunderstanding. Such a misunderstanding, and due to some things, my boyfriend, I can bless our decided to tear a big apartment. And look where I'm going to tear a big apartment. She left because she didn't have a baby. She left. I didn't know that. So apparently my mom told me not to play with her because age gap, there's a 10-year age gap. So we stopped playing together. After we stopped playing together, Nancy and me started having my fights because of some issues which I won't say now. So Denzi, I'm related to Denzel Buruta.
Kotapin. Alright, alright. Uri pa live. Go ahead. Akotadango kuraza kuti vanhu 1000 vari kutoona live yoyi.
Yes. So what happened is we went to a bar of my shops and we all got drunk. So we came back home together. Just as I tried to get my fishes. That video, it's more than one video. There are more than that. And so what happened is I don't know who else took the video. I'm a model, right? So apparently since Nana video, because me and her finding my issues and I decided that with a campaign in child abuse since they had their 6 Malari panics. I would do a campaign in child abuse. But then I was like, actually, I'm without anything to me child and I left it at I didn't do anything and then apparently I don't know how could or what. Because apparently there's some things to report with. So we were told as a friend, I was in Mutare and then I'm Mutare for Miss Valentine. So she calls me, she tells me, Lucy Fisher, she. And I was helping her as a friend. And then the next thing, I see my post on Facebook. I tried to ignore it. Then I see a post, your friend, the people who are close.
Hey, please, for Australia, but you remember good phone. Hey, Taurago. Hey, Dirukunzwa.
So now I'm feeling like, excuse me, I never exposed you. If I wanted to expose you guys, I would have done that with Dada. And but the fact you're going to you and my friend, it's just we did together. Now because we don't talk together or play together, it doesn't mean I have to expose you. Nancy, ambassador, she doesn't know shit about her. She doesn't know anything about him. Ambassador, she. No one likes her because of the attitude. It's not even a shop. It talks shop. I'm not going to rice 18. I didn't want to say all this shit, but the fact you're good, look, Denzel is my cousin. They did their shit together. Now that was saying is that Denzel. Wonder, but she's sorry for my jura or my graveyards. But I tell my sex out for my jura, my graveyards. Why do you complain? They were enjoying it. But I got my sex tapes like I wanted, they were enjoying it. Now because shit happened, Yagalika somehow. She wants to challenge Sitaratis for what reason? I'm not taking anyone's side, but they're enjoying themselves. Denzel, I tell someone yes, what he did was crazy, it was nasty. He apologized and he was supposed to do the same thing. No, it wasn't that. I think can I talk about I don't know or whatever shit they did together. But Denzel never been he says we're my best friend for a very long time, but Denzel never did it.
Anzi Denzel anza basa rekufamba achidya vakadzimari. Anzi saka aitoenda, anzi aitodhimanda mari achoti ndipe, anzi akatombomutorera foni yake nyowani yanga atengerwa nemukomana wake anzi Denzel akasvika kaisa line rake akatanga kushandisa foni. Anzi ane show off plus anzi ane girlfriend yekuharera ainge kamutengera Honda Fit white yaifamba nayo.
Listen to me, Inzwaini. I know Denzel anditi. Let me tell you something. Denzel akanana girlfriend yake anditi. Achishandisa mota girlfriend yake. They broke up. He made mota yake bad. Angasina kupiwa sokuti akapiwa for good. Nancy, ever since I started knowing her, she has had 2 phones and you know ziraini. She has had 2 phones. One yacho akaipa mwana wake, the other phone doya akushandisa yakatengerwa boyfriend yake. Denzel never took phone yemunhu. He never ari kunyepa nenzi musade kuiti so apaka I think yatogeme kuda kushaisana or trying to gain fame but then zari kuita ari kuzvimakisa
but ko anzan
Nancy ane shop keys anditi but then it's not shop yekuti it's kind of like a tap shop in a way izvo zvimakapinda if you want to buy rice 10 ka unobva watopedza rice yakaninga kuzonotora imwe stock
akutonoorder futi
you see Nancy ane kubva pakagurirwa shop yake neboyfriend yake she thinks kuti she's all that she thinks kuti she has everything she says shit about me yes if everyone has flaws vaidanana Denzi vachiita zvavo but now noti izvo zvazoitika vanhu vari kushora makumbo ake or whatever now adakanganisa zita raDenzel ndizvo zvandiri kuramba kuti no it's not like that izvozvi I can show you my messages from everyone emugoromodzi or I can show you my message pane group revanhu vari mugoromodzi izvezvi vari kutaura nezvakamenzi this video parabuda izvika without kuti maybe achadzika mawo kuti anotarisira vanhu pasi
hanzi acho outcast hanzi vanhu makumubhola hapana achada kuasociata naye hanzi akazvivhara mumba adzingwa pamba hanzi muri kumuita bully muri kumuedha magroups asingadi
day one. Someone yake, I was a best friend for a very long time. You can ask him. That's not my problem, Sandy. The problem I'm having now is she's now involving family, young, we're saying as ambassador right now. Even if I go back to Sekuru Uncle right now and ask him, he doesn't even know what he means.
Apa uzarchi. Apa kuita video, pane video na player just before you called me. Yanga shada hanzi vanhu kwamapranga. Hanzi vanhu kwamapranga hanzi makumuthreaten makumusendera ma-threatening messages mchishandisa power ambassade.
We never threatened her. Do you know what I said to her? Do you know what I told her? Why are you involving my family? Sekuru ambassador akapindira pai. Because as far as I'm concerned, no one knows about ambassador. No, she doesn't even know him. Mugoromodzi, no one knows him, right? Papi. That's what me and my family want to know. Vapindira papi.
Yeah, because zvishwa nyaya yeambassador kazvinotonzi hanzi kumba kwaambassador kunotovharirwa mwasikana vaDenzel kumba kwaambassador koko.
You know what? There's tight security. Denzel has never been. The only time he goes there, maybe can I send out with you, or if there's a funeral.
Ndokwaanoenda. Saka zvekuti ari kuvharirwa vasikana kwaambassador inhema guys.
Obviously they'll snitch, and there's nothing like Denzel doesn't go there because Gogoangu is always there. She doesn't tolerate rubbish.
Oh, hanzi zvoni hanzi iwo hanzi hausilusi mapranga unonzi lusi dhuwe unoda kushandisa senemhenhema kuti unzi unokama naambassador.
You know what? I'm Luciana Judanditi. My mom is in Mapranga. I only started using my mom's surname after my dad passed away. There's nothing wrong with that. The only thing, Chanamu, why are you? I have my chest ASA from her, from Denzel, from people that, you know what? So I'm not going to try with gaining fame. It's not going to work. People, everyone. Some boyfriend some boyfriend China. Some anogara parua. Right now I even have his number. Anogara parua ngasado chinyepera to China. Some has never been to China. Mozambique yet. So he
Oh,
mustn't lie.
saka iye angashodanza nemukomana wake kuchina anzi anoyaka 1 pagore ndaimutumira mari dzacho dzaizodya nadenzel.
That guy who I put out is not even in China. I know that he's my uncle. I know that I'm Australia. Murume Moon. Sam watch Murume Moon. Jabi watch Murume Moon.
Saka meaning kuti ari kumhanyizana nevarume vevanhu ka because ati anzi wacho kuchina yanzi ndiyakamusimudzira life yake anzi ndiyakatoita kuti lifestyle kuimprove anzi right now anzi anogara padouble story building. Saka Nancy muzanu. Saka Nancy ndewe ZANU-PF. Nancy ndewe ZANU-PF. Kanti ndewe MDC. Alright, ko nyaya yekunzi anzi anogara anorenta double story building ndeyechokwadi. Because matakaona vakararirana moimega vaitanga vakarara pasaga wanu.
You know what happened? After the entire it's a bedroom in a toilet near walk-in closet. So apparently she made a bedroom, one walk-in closet, you had a bedroom, and then kitchen you can do a walk-in closet, and then sitting room you can do main bedroom, like the main.
Oh, all right. Saka apa tikuwirana kuti you're not the one who leaked the sex tape and it ari kutongo kunyepera. All right. Because of that, I blackmail for money. Ichokwadi here kana kuti.
She was never blackmailed for money. They've made my videos as I wonder what they say. But she really ran. Not kuti.
Oh, meaning kuti Nancy aitosake kuti arudana nemurume munhu.
No, everyone knows Jabu is married. But not that like 300 meters apart from each other.
Yes, chiure chacho chinomira musha. Saka mukadzi uyu anenge achiti chachona mashura esewa.
She didn't know. Apparently now I think she knows.
Sorry hake. Inga zvakaoma. Waita basa kwayo uzongotiratidzawo another side of the story. Because tichingonzwa one version. Chazokumbura ujabu wacho kana chikwanisa uya apa tinzwa kuti anenge achichi. Because tatangonzwa.
Let me call him.
Alright, anongondibata pa namba dzangu dzawafona ndo dziri pa WhatsApp. Anongondibata because tinoda chokwadi ndo chatakamirira semvenge. Atile munhu anoya nenhema.
Alright, let me call him.
Iripo. So there you have it guys. Murungozvinzwirawo kuti panomira musha.